is here, and this is my short 40 days video trip. Enjoy, boys and girls. Thursday. Our trip started here. First goal is Nizhny Novgorod. We left home at 2 p.m. and in 6 hours decided to do a short stop. By the way, we're already here. Second day. Guys, it's 5 a.m. That's why let me sleep and we continue later. While she's sleeping, I took her a VIP zone and tried to describe the whole construction. Sorry, TikTok spoiled everything. Never mind. Look at this art. These are 2 pillows. Say thanks then for the painful neck and back, cause it's hurted for how. These are food and water, and if that dumbbell to eat or drink, and these are USB ports for charging her stupid phone. Oh, she's waking up. Gotta go. I'm sorry, I'm here, and we're already here. Taking time, 14 hours. Is it beautiful, isn't it? Third day. Well, I woke up and firstly decided to do a coffee and jog a little. Wait, are you really think that I'm gonna describe every day like typical vlog girl? Good morning, my people, my followers, my bunnies. After a short jogging, I decided to do my usual breakfast. Of course, it's your usual breakfast. And after that, I will ask my bunnies, my guys, my people, what to do next. Stop it. Yeah, that's better. Well, that was pretty. The time I spent here and everything was awesome. I was running, riding, walking, eating, delicious, precious, sweet. Okay, stop it. I was playing, of course. Oh my god. Yes. Watching, scrolling. How without it? Just chilling, you know. Even I met Ladybug and Hawkmouth. And new villains? No, I don't know. I was helping my dad. And another interesting stuff.
A new language spread from English to Spanish, then every native tongue made drums into.
Jokes are jokes, but it was the most vibing part in my shitty traveling. Well, it's time to leave your sweet house and go to my grandparents. Oh, we're here. Bye! 14th and 16th day. I don't know what to say. I just can show you my grandma's handmade dolls. And the lake where we swam together. I mean, me, my dad, and mom. 2 a.m. Yeah. Bye, Grandma and Pa. We're going to Moscow! Now, the most difficult part of our trip. Tests. I mean, we need to do tests to have a permission to fly in another country. Now everything depends only on them. And if something happened... Stop it, Mary, stop it. Everything great. We have negative results and we are already waiting for the flight. Waiting? I mean, walking through duty-free. Walking? I mean, sitting already in a plane. Next stop, Croatia. Gosh, stupid queue. We did it. We're here. Next stop, Brella. I'm tired, guys. See you soon the next day. Good night. Oh my gosh, so many. Well, let's get started. Oh, wait. Firstly, I need to tell you more about this awesome place where we're going to stay for 23 days. Okay. Where is it? I think that's it. Brella is a resort town between the Bioka mountain range in the Adriatic Sea. Its forests and beaches are bathed in bright sunlight. The wind brings the smell of the sea, and fragrant herbs and the cries of the gulls mix with the singing of birds. The city gives everyone wonderful beaches, pine forest, a bright blue sea, a Mediterranean climate, a relaxing atmosphere. Come on, what the fuck is that? Never mind, let's do that easily. This is a brilliant place for chilling. The main monument of Raleigh is this weird stone, I don't know, which shines in the night, by the way. There are a lot of places where you can go, by boat, or excursions, or car, or you have your own. But fortunately, I was here 5 times, and I was everywhere. That's why for these 23 days, I will be just swimming, walking, running, chilling, a great resort. I know. I'm sorry my phone can't fly or swim, but ours can. Just enjoy sexy moments that I found on the internet.
Let me tell you how I'm feeling. Look. I ain't never been scared of no loving. I ain't never feared for no heart. Tell me I'm left here so dirty, feeling like life's split apart. How did us two go so far?
Evening. Well, the whole day was boring, but the last part was pretty nice. It was like a last dinner or something, and I just want to tell you one story. Okay. Okay, this is Nevis. She's a really positive lady with powerful energy, as you see. And this is Nicola. He's a good man with awesome humor. Well, never mind. We were eating, and Nevis asked me, "Do you go to school?" "Yes." "What grade?" I'm graduated last one." "Oh, really? Are you 18? "No, I'm 17, miss." Then Nicola something said in Croatian, and they started laughing. I was so confused. Nicola said that after school you can run away with your boyfriend here. I'm sorry, I don't have any. No way! It can be. Maybe one? No, I never have actually. What? In 17? Never? Okay. You will? You will? Yeah, probably. That was the most embarrassing dialogue I've ever had. Nothing special. Bye bye, Croatia. We're going home.
I've just been trying to get closer, but you're acting like you're hiding something. On rainy days you have a way of showing me this isn't fake. Sometimes it's
We are fully ready for departure. However, this evening air traffic control has given us a departure time in some 34 minutes. It's the earliest time that we can get airborne slots and 5 still arrangements in 10 minutes or so.
you're so important to me. Your heart out, babe.
This is Toronto International Airport information. Delta. Toronto weather 6,000 scattered, 14,000 scattered, visibility 25 miles. Temperature 62.12. Wind is strong, Toronto altimeter 290.990. Gas mark approach is island, 23 left. Landing runway to VFR aircraft 233.
Guys, these things give me flashbacks. I'm sorry.
Here, isn't it? I just...
Here, let me.
I'm at home. Oh my god. 40 days left. And you tell me, Mary, go to sleep. You haven't slept for about 8 hours. But no, I'm gonna do an edit and a video about how I do in this edit. Something like editing for the first time after 40 days break. Yeah. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I didn't do this video. I was so lazy, yeah, bye. Well, it's time to leave. You, sweetie house. Почему я такие паузы делаю? Now everything depends only on them, and if something happened, something fucking shit. Go see, that's why today without any beautiful views from the play. But we did it. We're here. Next up, Brlella. Next up, Брлелля. Блять, какой брелля? Next step. Брлелля. Брля. Какая бреля? Я не могу. Well, let's get started. Started? What the fuck is beetle to do?